Hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you one more exercise for your healthy respiratory system or more oxygenated and more expanded lung. This is called segmental breathing. Do you know that segmental breathing is that much important? In fact, even in asthmatic patient, it will help a lot. I must share an experience with you that once I met with an bronchial asthmatic patient and he got an attack of that due to which he is getting breathlessness and he was not having Astelin with him that time. So luckily I was there and I had given him the segmental breathing, and after few minutes he became alright. And definitely he was very thankful to segmental breathing. So friends, when I was in my practice in ICUs and ward patients in various hospitals like Apollo hospitals and Bombay hospital, we used to give this chest physiotherapy, and segmental breathing was an important tool, and there is also other tools like percussion, vibration and postural drainage which will help the patients to come out of ventilator. And definitely chest physiotherapy plays a very important role in patients who are on ventilator and who are having respiratory problems. So are you ready to learn one more exercise? So start. I just if you had not seen the video, my previous video, just go through the diagram of lungs. You will just come to understand the different lobes of the lungs, and because we are doing exercises for that, and there are different segments of the lungs: anterior segment, posterior segment and lateral segment, and it is very difficult to locate each and every segment of the lung manually. But we have divided it in three different sections: anterior, posterior and lateral. And for anterior segments you have to segmental breathing में सबसे पहले हम अपने हाथों को will cross your hands and keep them below the clavicle and take the deep breath. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. Exhale. Exhale करते हुए end में we have to follow the movement of the lung and compress at the end little bit, and then again hold the breath. 1 2 3 4 5. Exhale. Again hold. 1 2 3 4 5. Exhale. This exercise is for the anterior segment of the lungs, and then the other exercise is for the lateral segment of the lung. Like this, you have to keep the hands across your chest. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. We have to compress lateral side of our chest, and this exercise is for the lateral segment of the lung. And the other one is the last one, posterior segment. But the posterior segment, it is very not easy to reach to the posterior segment of the lung. So if it is done by the physiotherapist, then it will be perfect, but otherwise you can try by like this. Put your hands behind your back, upper back, and take deep breath. Hold it. 1 2 3 4 5. Exhale. Again we have to follow the movement of the lung, and at the end we have to compress it. 1 2 3 4 5. Hold it. Inhale. Hold. 1 2 3 4 5. Exhale. These are the segmental breathing exercise. There are one more technique that is called breathing stacking technique. In this technique you have to breathe. In this technique we take 2 inhalation at a time and 1 exhalation. like this. You have to take, relax your shoulders, hold it, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, exhalation, again, hold, 1 2 3 4 5, inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhalation, inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, inhale, 1 2 3 4 5, exhale. These exercise definitely increase the expansion of your chest and then your lung, and increase the capacity of your lung. So definitely you should do these exercises, and I hope you like our breathing exercise series, and please do it at home. If you face any problem, you can contact us anytime. You are available online. And thank you so much for watching us. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.